Guys, welcome to our first GA video, and in this video we're going to be going over into our woods, and we're going to be building a fort, and we're just going to bring you along, okay?
Yep, let's
All
go.
right, let's go. Alright guys, now we're here. We're down at Cherokee Trail, right here. And so, we're gonna go get our tools from our cabin right there. And then we're gonna go build the fort. Let's go. Go. Okay, so we're gonna get some tools from in here. We're just gonna turn that.
FBI.
Just open it. Open the door. Open the door. Alright, so we're gonna need the axe right here. Get the axe. I think that's all.
What? Well, you should get a bow and arrow.
No, we don't need it.
Whenever you
Alright, let's go. That's all that we need from here because the rest is in my backpack. Alright, so we got the axe. We got the stuff in my backpack right here. Okay? Alex, stop.
What?
Some of this we're gonna need to take.
Sorry.
Will you take this over?
This is this one?
Yeah, I'll take this one.
It's a long boy.
Okay. So we're gonna take these sticks. We're gonna go walk over here to our fort area. Alex hasn't seen it yet, right?
What?
You haven't seen the fort yet?
No.
No. All right. So we're gonna go right in here. I know.
How do you get to it?
It's kind of a little bit of a secret path because that's there, so you kind of have to walk around. Alex! Alright, shoot, I'm getting stuck.
It works good. Can I chop this down?
Okay, so now we are here. Yes, you can chop that down. Okay, guys, so first what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clearing out the area so that we can actually, so clear the sticks out, chop down what we need to,
That's what
so
I'm
we can
doing.
either use it or just have the area. So I'm going to put this on a time lapse so that you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so right now we
The
have
land is
some wood
clear.
here. Oh yeah,
The land is all clear right now.
we cleared all around here.
Piled up right there.
Yep.
And now we gotta go get more wood because
Yep, we gotta go get more wood because we only have that much. So, let's go. Okay, so we got this log right here, and this is gonna be one of our building parts. We need to get it off of there, and I cut it down earlier because it was, I forget where it was, but it was like way up there. It was with one of these trees, and so we're just gonna try to cut this down. Okay?
Okay.
All right, time. You're on.
Okay, so what we just did is we hung on this and brought it down a little bit so then we could relieve stress on the vine that was holding it in. So now it's here and I'm gonna drag it back to camp and yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. He's gonna carry the axe. Let's head back to camp, but it's gonna take a little while because we gotta get across the river. And
All right, so we're gonna make this less boring, and we're gonna put another time lapse in.
another time lapse. Sorry.
Okay, so guys, we just got this back as you saw in the time lapse. All right, so what we're gonna do next, Alex is gonna chop it in half because that's a really big piece.
And rest.
And I am going to make the holes for this thing. Okay, and so you're gonna see us both in the same time lapse, okay? Okay, well, the camera fell over, so that's cool. So I'm gonna put this closer to me so you guys can see, okay?